In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button go to another page in Carrd. This quick guide will help you create intuitive and seamless navigation on your website. Let's dive right in and transform your web page with these simple steps. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Carrd website. This is the platform where all the magic happens. Carrd is an excellent tool for creating professional-looking, responsive sites without any complex coding. Once you've got the website opened, you're ready to start modifying your site. Next, you'll look for the plus icon. This is located in the editing toolbar, and clicking it will allow you to add a new element to your page. From the list of available options, you'll want to select Control. This control element is what will help you define different sections on your site, essentially serving as our page divider. Once you've added the control element to your page, it's time to tweak its settings. You'll need to change the type to section break. By doing this, you're effectively marking this spot as a new section, or a page in web navigation terms. This is a critical step, as it helps specify where the new content will start on your site. Now, after you've marked your section, it's important to give it a unique and descriptive name. Think about what visitors will expect to see in this area. A section named About Us could include details about your organization, whereas Contact Form might feature a form for visitors to reach out. This name will be your section's identity and will later be used to create the link. The next step is to create a button. Again, you'll click the plus icon, and this time select Button. This element is what visitors will click to navigate to your new section. After placing the button, you'll input the text you want displayed on it. Be concise and clear with your button text. Whether it's Learn More or Contact Us, you want the button to direct your visitors exactly where they want to go. Here's where it all comes together. In the URL field of your button settings, you will enter the name of your section break and precede it with a hash symbol. For instance, if you've named your section About Us, you should enter #AboutUs in this field. This URL setting is what links the button to your section, completing the navigation setup. Finally, arrange the elements on your page. Position the section. Break element at the location where you want the new content to appear. Then, make sure your button is visible and positioned on your main page where users can easily find and click it. And there you have it. A simple way to improve navigation and user experience on your Carrd website. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your visitors can seamlessly jump to different sections of your site. Thank you for watching, and happy